Welcome to the Python tutorial. This is Mahalakshmi, your tutor during this tutorial from Vela Vision Education. In this video, we are going to see Python variables. So, what is variables in Python? Yeah, variables are containers for storing data values. A variable is created the moment you first assign a value to it. Age is equal 24 is a variable assignment statement. It assigns a value 24 to the variable age. In this case, age, this is the name of the variable. Variable names in Python can consist of letters, both uppercase and lowercase, or digits and underscores, etc. It's a good practice to choose descriptive names for variables to make your code more readable. Equal. This is the assignment operator in Python. It is used to assign the value on the right hand side to the variable on the left hand side. 24. This is the value being assigned to the variable age. In this case, 24 is an integer literal representing the age value. Let's see variables with the code examples. X equals 5. This line assigns the integer value 5 to the variable x. In Python, you don't need to declare the data type explicitly. It infers it from the assigned value. Y is equal chef. This line assigns the string value chef to the variable y. Similarly to x, Python infers that y is of type string based on the assigned value. Print of x. This line prints the value of the variable x. The printf function in Python is used to display text or variables in the console. In this case, it will output 5. Print of y. This line prints the value of the variable y. Again, it will output chef to the console. Let's see the output. Here we get the output. In Python, you can also get the data type of a variable with the type of function. In this Python code, you are assigning two different values to variables x and y. X is equal 5. Here, x is assigned the integer value 5. When you print the type of x using print open parenthesis type open parenthesis x close parenthesis, it will output class integer indicating that x is of type integer. And also y is equal chef. Here y is assigned the string value chef. When you print the type of y using print type of y, it will output. Let's see the output. It will output class string indicating that y is type of string. So the output of this code will be here. Variables do not need to be declared with any particular type and can even change type after they have been set. Here you can see variables can be integer, it can be string, or it can be float. These are called data types. So in Python, a variable name has some principle. Those are, a variable name can have a short name like x and y or more descriptive name. A variable name must start with a letter or the underscore character. Variable name cannot start with a number. A variable name can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscores. And also variable names are case sensitive. For example, if you assign a variable name x in a smaller case, while you print the function, you have to assign the same x smaller case. If you type the capital X, you will get an error. Also, a variable name cannot be any of the Python keyword. So here is the examples for the legal variable names and the illegal variable names. So as I told you already, we can start with underscore, but we cannot start with integer. And we can use capital letters, and we can also use the capital letter in the middle of the variable name, but we cannot use the space in between variable name and also the hyphen. So I hope you all understand how variables works in Python. So we will see interesting concept in the next class. Happy coding, kids!